Nangamaladi, and welcome to Ask Aunty.
Yes.
Aunty Munya, we have a question from someone in a school that's wanting to run a yarning circle. What do they need to know about? Do they need to ask for permission?
They wouldn't have to ask for permission, Carly, but by all means, run yarning circles. Call them yarning circles. Explain to people that term as well. It's just another way of helping sort of keep our culture, maintain our culture, keep it alive. And the more we speak like each other, the more we're on the same page as one another.
And Aunty Munya, what is a yarning circle?
Yeah, a yarning circle is a traditional way of holding a meeting. It's been done for hundreds of years, thousands of years, and it's conducting business. That's our term for community matters, not anything to do with economics. And so you sit in a circle, which is a traditional way of meeting. Always learnings and teachings went around the campfire, the centerpiece. So we sit in a circle so that everybody is equal. Everybody has something of worth to say. It's the most important thing, just like King Arthur's Round Table.
Well, thanks, Aunty Munya. Ask Aunty.